How many of you like the surprises? Almost everybody, right? So that's the Deepak's topic, 3 surprise secrets.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and Toastmasters present here. Good evening. I like jogging a lot. One fine day, when I was just jogging, a salesman stopped me. I was just jogging, a salesman stopped me. Sir, I have an offer for you. I said no. I continued my jogging. Again he stopped me. Sir, are you jogging? What should I have replied? What should I have replied? I said, no, I'm sleeping. He still didn't convince and asked me continuously, sir, I have an offer for you that is for free of cost. Yes, I convinced. He had a wonderful t-shirt that was sleeveless, I loved it, with his hand. And he told that, sir, I'm gonna give it for free, absolutely free. But I have a deal for you. The deal is, can you see the pillar over there? Did you? But I saw that. The deal is, I have to touch that pillar and I have to come back. That's a deal. Deal looked pretty simple. And he told, sir, you have only 3 minutes left. If you didn't complete that, you have to pay me 300 rupees. He ended and he said, time started now. I was rushing towards that pillar. In 1 minute time, I touched it and I had a great hope that I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I was coming closer to it, towards it. 5 meters left, 4 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, 1. You know what? He started running and he said, sir, you have only 30 seconds left. He is running towards. All I am tired. I was chasing towards him. Time got over. Exactly 3.1 seconds he stopped and said, sir, time is over. Give me 300. I had a thought to take a U-turn and just abscond, but still his brilliance convinced me. I paid him 300 and got the t-shirt back. And he gave me 3 secret surprises as a compliment. I have it here for you. You want to see that? Yes. I'll give you 3 count down. Just count with me. Right? 3, 2, 1. Wow! You want to see that? You see anything over here? Nothing. Is it? But I could see something. Maybe it is a secret, only looking visible to me. It's fine, I know translation as well. I'll help you. Secret number 1 he shared with me. Achievement. It's a destination, I told him. But he made me to realize achievement is a journey. It's not a destination. One time, I asked myself, Deepak, is there a way to sustain your popularity or fame forever? My experience answered me, yes, there is. What is it? Run. Then, run. Okay? Run. Yes. If I stop running, people will stop noticing me. That is the message. Whatever I have done yesterday, yes, it is already yesterday, it's gone. People will forget about that. So, let us think for tomorrow in our today. That's the secret message 1 he gave me. Secret message 2. Secret message 2 is something interesting. Just strongly believe in you that what you want to become tomorrow, you are already today. strongly believe in that point. If you want to become a doctor, believe that you are a doctor and act according to that. Doesn't matter. If Toastmaster Abhishek asks me, Deepak, what do you want to become? I'll say, too proud, I want to become a world class leader. I'll say that. The message to me is, start acting for that right now, because even though if you don't have the qualities to be the best leader, you will learn it now and others will let you tomorrow that you are a leader. Secret message 3. I can see this not over here, it's somewhere. Yeah, it's here. I got it. Secret message 3 is, if you think different, you can convince anybody at any time. Do you want to prove? Do you want to prove? Abhishek, can you come over here? You have to come over here. See, everybody know, even he knows he has 10 fingers. Agree?
Yes. I have 11. I can show you.
Now I have this finger. Show to the audience that he has the 10 fingers. So he told that he has 10 fingers. Let me count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Close it. How many fingers do you have here? 5 plus 6?
10.
7. 5 plus 6? 11. The thing is, if you think different, if you just think different, you can prove anything at any time. These are the 3 secrets I have to share with you. With this message, I'll hand you over the stage to Toastmaster Abhishek.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepak. That was a wonderful speech. The third thing you told, I told you outside, right?